All right, guys, here they are, the Xperia 1 and the LG G8, the camera comparison. This is something that I was excited about, that I wanted to see, and you get to see it now in this video. So I'm hoping that you guys enjoy the footage that I'm getting ready to bring to you. I've recorded it already, and I can tell you that I'm not going to spoil it for you. I'm going to let you watch it. But here's the camera comparison from the LG G8 versus the Sony Xperia 1. A lot of you guys requested this, and here it is on Monday, July 15th. The one you've been waiting for, the LG G8 versus the Sony Xperia 1 camera test. Now I'm not gonna do a real long test, but I'm definitely going to show you what it looks like right now. It's not too sunny out. It's a very nice view here. Sorry if you hear some beeping. Notifications coming in. But here it is. Just looking through the viewfinder, the LG G8 colors are more accurate, but it looks like the Xperia 1 might be a little bit more sharper. I don't know. I have to look at it on the computer. Swing around here. Okay. Again, sorry for the notifications. Hey, it's a cell phone, man. I'm using it. Okay, it's getting a little out of hand now. We're going to test the wide angle camera too. Let's do that. So here's a wide angle shot. And, you know, I'm holding this orientation because my bracket that I have, it's upstairs and I couldn't get it to hold the phones correctly. The Sony Xperia 1, the way the button placement is, you know, the phone, it presses buttons in the brackets that I have. So here is wide angle. Let's look at this same area. You can see how much more is in view. Colors still look the same. The Sony Xperia looks really, really sharp, man. Wide angle, I can stand back here and get a ton of it in. Wide angle shot. You can see my slippers. Looking pretty decent. All right, here's front cameras on both. The G8 is totally blowing out the white shirt. They both are kind of doing it. But this G8 through the viewfinder, the G8 looks like it's a little bit more accurate in the colors from my face. Actually, a lot more. It looks like the Xperia 1 is blowing it out a little bit too much. But this is the front camera. Now here is 4K on both. The G8 does 60 frames per second. So I put it on 30 frames per second because the Xperia 1 cannot do 60 frames per second. And I wanted it to be a fair matchup. Pretty much the colors, from what I can tell through the viewfinder, are the same. They don't look any different. However, I like that I can switch to wide angle while recording with the G8. And the Xperia 1 has more in view with the 4K footage than the G8, it appears. Also, the 4K at 30 frames per second is 10 minutes on the G8, while there is no limit on the Xperia, but you do have that heating issue that could possibly happen. But there you have it.